In row 1, Q, R, S, T are seated and all of them are facing north. In row 2, A, B, C, D are seated, all of them are facing south. Not necessarily in the same order, thus in the given arrangement, each person seated in the row faces another person of the other row. Now, who are those people who are facing south? A, B, C, D. And who are those who are facing north? Q, R, S, T. So, look at the size of the question. Is this a small one or a big one? Hardly 5 lines. Even if you get multiple possibilities, will not immediately shift into multiple possibilities. Make a note of this. A sits second to the right of B. Now, A is sitting second to the right of B. Now, can you please tell me B is facing north or south? South. When somebody faces south, right is our left. This is A. We have covered 3 places and I'm looking forward for only 1 place. Next, A is the one who faces A is an immediate neighbor of S. The one who faces A is an immediate neighbor of S. First trial, I'll take S here. Even if I don't get the answer, I still have a possibility of taking S here. Next, R sits second to the right of S. R sits second to the right of S. Only 2 persons sits between R and T. Impossible. We have covered all the 4 places. So, is there any possibility for an extra place? No. So what we have done, we have committed a mistake by taking S over there. Immediately I'll shift this S here. This is R, second to the right of S is R. 2 people sit between R and T. This is Q. Last point. C faces an immediate neighbor of T. So this is C and this is T. Done. Whenever you come across a small question, what I suggest to you is not to divide the question immediately whenever you see an extra possibility. And this is what I've been teaching you from the past many days. Is this clear to you all? So, yes, our main focus is on speed and accuracy. This is how you can get a clerk job. You have to be very alert, very fast and very accurate. Next, we'll go for the next set of questions. This is from 72. These are on coded inequalities. And as I told you many number of times, coded inequalities, will you use pen and paper? No, we'll just observe. Observation is important. See and mark the answer. Come on, J and K, what's happening? Opposite symbols cannot be determined. A less than Y. A and Y also opposite symbols cannot be determined. So what is your answer? Neither 1 nor 2. 73. D greater than S. If I am supposed to go from D to O, D to S, I need to take the help of O, because O is the one who connects these 2 people. So D greater than O, yes, everyone. D greater than O, O greater than or equals to S. You should have the same efficiency in identifying the symbol from left to right, at the same time right to left. You have to practice in this particular way. Is this clear? So D greater than O, O greater than or equals to S. So what's my conclusion? Greater than or equal to. Your answer is greater than. So D greater than S is absolutely right. What's your next one? S greater than or equals to, sorry, X greater than P. S greater than P. But what's the problem here? What's the problem? S less than or equals to O. Will you get the answer? No. You have to kill this in this place itself. If I want my answer S, O and P, O is the one which connects S and P. I want S as greater than P. 100% guarantee. What are the symbols that are supposed to be there in between S and O? Come on everyone. Greater than or equals to, or equals to. అవునా కాదా? కానీ అక్కడిది ఏ సింబల్తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది ఎస్? లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు. అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిద్దా? ఆ ఎస్ నుంచి ఓ చూసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఓ నుంచి పి వరకు చూసి నీ టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకోవాల్సినంత అవసరం ఇక్కడ లేదు. అక్కడే కనిపెట్టేసేయాలి నువ్వు. అర్థమైందా? ఎన్నో రోజులు నేను చెప్తున్నా ఈ పాయింట్. సో వాట్స్ ది ఆన్సర్? ఓన్లీ 1 ఫాలోస్. 74. U greater than P. ఎవరు హెల్ప్ తీసుకోవాలి నేను? G. U greater than or equals to G. G greater than or equals to P. Avutada? No. Conclusion is greater than or equal to. T less than S. Amma, T less than S. T less than or equal to G. Correct hai na? T less than or equals to G. G? Chapaya babu. G. So less than or equal to less than, conclusion is less than. So T less than S, right or wrong? Right. ఇక్కడ సేవ్ చేసే టైమే మనకు మిగతా క్వశ్చన్ల కోసం పనికొచ్చింది. నువ్వు పెన్ను పెట్టి అన్నీ నీట్గా రాసుకుంటూ కూర్చుంటే వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? అట్లీస్ట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ 5 questions you'll wait at least 10 seconds for each question. 10 for each question for another 5 questions. You're like wasting almost 1 minute by using pen and paper for these questions. So that 1 minute will help us to score 2 marks somewhere or the other. That is the reason why I say whenever you see coded inequalities, never ever try to put pen on paper. Syllogisms will draw only the diagram. After that nothing, only on observation. This is how you have to improve your skills. Next, x less than m. What's the problem? Opposite symbols. K greater than C. C is less than K. C is less than K according to the statement. So reverse of that is K greater than C. This is absolutely right. What's the answer? Only 2 follows. So let's go for the next set of puzzles here. This is 77 to 81. Okay. You also have 76. Sorry. Yeah, 76. అయిపోయింది. మన మైండ్లో బల్బ్ వెలిగిపోయింది. వెళ్ళిపోయిందా లేదా? ఏమై ఉండొచ్చు ఆన్సర్? ఐదర్ అయి ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ పక్కా అని చెప్పలేము. చెక్ చేసిన తర్వాతనే. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడ పోవాలి? ఎల్ నుంచి వి, వి నుంచి డి. ఎల్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వి, అవునా కదా? ఎల్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వి, వి లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు డి. ఆటోమేటిక్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ ఎల్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు డి. అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్? ఐదర్ ఆర్. కథం. ఎక్కువ టైం వేస్ట్ చేయొద్దు. Study the given information carefully and answer the given question. 8 people A, B, C, D, W, X, Y, Z are sitting in a straight line facing north with equal distance between each other, but not necessarily in the same order. B sits 5th to the right of X. B sits 5th to the right of X. If this is X, let me change the color here. All right. B sits 5th to the right of X. If this is X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is B. How many places did I cover? 6. This is the hidden point. It's not clearly told in the question, but this is hidden. And then he says B does not sit at any extreme ends of the lines. 7 places. Total strength 8. And you are looking for only one more place. I'm looking for only one more place. Next, what's the next point? Only 2 people sit between B and Z. Can I take it to the right side of B? Can I take it to the right side of B? Why no? Because to the right of B, there is possibility for one more extra place. Impossible. So this should be Z. Next point. Come on, read. C sits third to the left of Y. Y is not an immediate neighbor of B. This is not Y and this is not Y. C sits third to the left of Y. If I put Y here, no way. If I take Y here, I'll get extra 2 more places, but I'm looking for only one place. So Y you can't take there, and Y you can't take to the left of X also. Impossible. So there's only one possibility. This is the 8th place and this is C. Done. Next, as many people sit between B and Y as between C and A. How many between B and Y? 1. C and A also 1. So it should be only to the right side of C. You can't take it to the left side of C. Next, W is not an immediate neighbor of X. So this should be W. And there's one person who is left out. D for Delhi. Chalo, this is question. Understood everyone? Yes or no? This is how you try to solve the questions in a faster way. Remember, copy it fast. Done? Chalo. Let's go for 83 alphanumeric series. As per the given arrangement, 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Which one does not belong to the group? Oh, there is one correction that was supposed to be made. This is not AIM, this is A1M. Okay? This is DVL. DVL. Typing errors do happen. Chalo. Okay na? Now let's see this. Q6 percentile. Where is this Q? Q. From Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 6. Second left of 6 is percentile. Is this clear? Next, 1QM. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is Q. But M is very far. Yes or no? So, the link that I get with the previous option and this is not correct. But let me go for A, 1 and M. From A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 1. And second left is M. Yes or no? So first and third are exactly similar. Now G, A at the rate. From G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is A. Second to the left of A is at the rate. This is also following the same rule followed by 1 and 3. Let me go for the fifth option. What is the fifth option that I told you? DVL. From D, fifth place is V. Please count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From V, second place is L. So which option is my answer? Second option. Second option is not following the rule which is followed by the other 4 options. But there is some minor corrections. Please make a note of that. 84. What is this? Which of the following will be 7th to the left of 18th from the left end? Reverse, left and left, minus. What will be your answer? 11th element from the left end. So please count and tell me what is the 11th letter from left end. Amma? Very good. It is A. How many symbols are there between 6th element from the right end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is L. And 11th letter from the left end. 11th from the left end, earlier we have already decided what it is. Previous question లోనే కదా చెప్పండి అమ్మా. మళ్ళీ నీకు కౌంటింగ్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా? ఇది ఇది ఈ తెలివితేటలు మన దగ్గర ఉండాలి, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. గతంలో ఒకసారి చదివినవి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి గుర్తుండాలి అంతే. ఏమిటంట? హౌ మెనీ సింబల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? హౌ మెనీ సింబల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 3 సింబల్స్. కాపీరైట్ హ్యాష్ పర్సెంటైల్. Done? Chalo. 86. What will be the sum of the numbers between the 7th element from the left end? What is the 7th element from left end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is G. And 9th element from the right end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. D. What will be the sum of all the numbers between 7th element from the left end and 9th element from the right end in the given arrangement? So 9 plus 1, 10, 14, 22, 27. Fifth option. 87. If all the numbers from the given arrangement are deleted, then which of the following will be the 10th from the left end? If all the numbers are deleted, I want 10th from the left. So I'll not count these numbers now. I'll count only the alphabets and symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's your answer? M. Absolutely right. Let's go for 88. 88 is clearly based on what? 3-letter words. This question is based on 5 words given below. How many letters are there between the third letter of the first word, T, from the left, and first letter of the fifth word from the left? What is the first letter? P. T is 20, P is 16. So how many numbers between 16 and 20? 3. 89. If S is added before each of the given words, how many meaningful words can be formed? Seat, soil, soar. No. Speak and spat. No. Only 3 words can be formed. 90. If in each of the given words, each of the consonant is changed to the previous alphabet in the English alphabetical series, and each vowel is changed to the next alphabet in the English alphabetical series, in how many words thus formed will at least one vowel appear? Amma, vowel is changed to the previous letter or next letter? Next alphabet in English. We want what? At least one vowel. When you change the vowel to next alphabet, 100% guarantee those all will become consonants. So my concentration is on what? Only on consonants. So consonants ki emitanta? Previous alphabet. So మనం ఎక్కడ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేస్తాం? ఓన్లీ ఆన్ కాన్సనెంట్స్. టీ ముందు ఏంటిదమ్మా? చెప్పండమ్మా. ఎస్, అవసరమా? ఎల్ ముందు చెప్పండి, మాట్లాడాలి. వద్దు, ఎందుకంటే ఎవ్రీ కాన్సనెంట్ ఈస్ చేంజ్డ్ టు ద ప్రీవియస్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్. వాట్ ఈస్ బిఫోర్ ఆర్? క్యూ. I need at least one vowel. What is before B? Enough. Before P? Chapandamma. Oh, done. So what's the answer? 2 words. Consonants are changed to the previous alphabet. సార్ కాన్సనెంట్స్ మాత్రమే వెతికారు, మరి వోవెల్స్ని నెక్స్ట్కి చేంజ్ చేయమన్నాడు కదా, మీరు ఎందుకు చేయలేదు సార్ అని డౌట్ రావచ్చు కొత్త వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని ఉంటే. వాట్ ఆర్ వోవెల్స్? ఏ, ఈ, ఐ, ఓ, యు. ద నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్ ఆఫ్ ఎవ్రీ వోవెల్ ఈజ్ అ కాన్సనెంట్. The next alphabet of every vowel is a consonant. But the question is on at least one vowel appear. So it doesn't make any sense even after changing the vowel, because anyway I'll get only the consonant. But my concentration is on getting a vowel. 91. Chalo. If all the given words are arranged in the order they would appear in the English dictionary from left to right, which of the following will be the second word from right hand? Second word from the right hand. So right hand ante second word ante in alphabetical order it will be 4th. Yes or no? Total how many words? Come on students, total how many words? 5 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want second from the right hand. In alphabetical order this will be the 4th word. This will be the 4th word. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. O, I, O, R. A, which comes first? O, I. After that O, R. So what's the answer? Or. Now this I think is related to the previous one. The numbers, the words are missing here. What are the words? Please tell me. Eat, oil. అక్కడ 92లో అవి మిస్ అయినాయి. ప్రింటింగ్ పడలేదు సరిగ్గా. ఏమిటి ఆ వర్డ్స్ అవి? ఈట్, ఆయిల్, ఓర్, బిగ్ పుట్. వాట్స్ ద క్వశ్చన్? ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం గతంలో. If all the letters in each of the given words are rearranged in alphabetical order within the word, in how many words thus formed the last alphabet is a vowel. In each of the word you will arrange everything in which order? Alphabetical order. The last letter should be vowel. So in the word, among the given words, the last letter should be vowel. And we will concentrate on only vowels. And that vowel place value should be higher than the remaining letters. E is 5, T is 20, this is waste. O is what? What is O's place value? 15. Do you have any other letter which is much more having higher value than 15? No. So compulsory here, the last letter will be vowel. Or 15, but R is 18. The last letter will be R. No. B, I, G, I. What is the place value of I? 9. The other are 2 and 7. Absolutely I will be in the last. U, 21. 16, 20. So this is also U will be in the last. So how many words? 3 words. This is how you should try to solve. If it is possible to make one meaningful word, English word with the 2nd, 6th, 8th and 12th letters when counted from left to right of the word ambidextrous, using each letter only once. Which of the following will be the second letter of the word so formed from the left hand? If no such word can be formed, give X as your answer. If more than one such word can be formed, give Z as your answer. What are the letters that I am supposed to consider here? Yeah, I am supposed to consider second. Second is M. 6th is E. 8th is T. 12th is S. Come on, I told you this is purely based on your vocabulary skills. This is purely based on your vocabulary skills. And it has nothing to do with reasoning. STEM. S-T-E-M. STEM, and STEM is the only word that can be formed. If there is only one word that can be formed, which of the following will be the second letter of the word from the left hand? Second letter of the word is T. Answer for this is T. Let's directly jump to the next puzzle. This is 95. 8 people, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, are sitting around a circle table with equal distance between each other, facing the center but not necessarily in the same order. Facing the center but not necessarily in the same order. How many persons? 8 persons. Those who are new, those who have just started seating arrangement classes, what I suggest to you is, please mention right and left also. This will not create confusion within you. Those who have enough experience and you have a lot of practice, and this is not at all necessary. This is only for those 2 people who have just started their practice. This is how it will look when you are talking about everybody facing towards the center. Not necessarily in the same order. D sits third to the right of G. G, 1, 2, 3, D. G sits third to the right of G. Only one person sits between D and A. Amma, only one person sits between D and A. 2 possibilities, but will you immediately start the other case also? No. Look at the size of the question, very, very small. It's not more than 4 or 5 lines. Yes? So never ever try to immediately go for new case. Just take it in this way. If I don't get the answer, you still have a possibility where you can also go for A over there. Only one person sits between D and A. Only 3 people sit between A and D, opposite. And there are 3 people, they are sitting in the opposite places. Next. Come on, B sits second to the left of H. Full stop. B is not an immediate neighbor of A. This is not B. B sits, what did he tell us? B sits second to the left of H. So, can I reverse this clue? What will I get if I reverse this clue? H sits second to the right of A. Sorry, H sits second to the right of B. Why? Because everybody is facing same direction. B, second right H, happy. I can't take B here, second right not possible. I can't take B here, second right, not at all possible. Done. Katam. అయిపోయింది కదమ్మా. ఓన్లీ 3 people between H and F. ఒక వ్యక్తి మిగిలిపోయారు. ఎవరో వాళ్ళు? C. Happy? These are the most easiest ones. I think we have to solve questions in number series also. So let's go for the questions from number series. 56. I always suggest only one thing whenever you try to solve questions based on number series. The reaction time that we have to solve these questions is only 10 seconds. How many seconds? 10 seconds. Increasing, decreasing. Amma? Decreasing. So we'll go for differences. All the 5 numbers which are here are 3-digit numbers. Are all 3-digit numbers. So a 3-digit number is remaining as a 3-digit number. If you have a problem going from right to left, you can also go from left to right. So left to right, you have a problem, you can go from right to left. But let us try to get the differences here. This is -2. Come on, how much is this, everyone? -9. What about this? -28. This itself is enough to get the answer. Just by saying 2, 9, 8, you should say what are the 2, 9 and 28. You should say what is the specialty of those numbers. For number series class, we always tell you to problems based on table. In the table, we make you to write down something. What is that? N square plus n, n square minus n, n cube plus n, n cube minus n, n cube plus n square, n cube minus n square, n square plus n, n square plus 1, n cube plus 1, n cube minus 1, n square minus 1. నెంబర్ సిరీస్లో అసలు గొప్పతనం ఏమిటంటే ఆ నెంబర్ చూడంగానే దాని యొక్క స్పెషాలిటీ ఏమిటనేది నీకు తెలిసిపోతూ ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ 3 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1, దిస్ ఈస్ 1 cube plus 1. ఇదెంత? -65 అంటే 4 cube plus 1. నా నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏమవ్వాలి? -126. అంటే అప్పుడు నాకు మిగిలేది ఏమిటి? 20. ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్? Yes or no? Very good. Come on. Let's go for the next one. Shall I go for the differences now? Increasing order, decreasing order, increasing. Huge increase or gradual increase? Gradual. Gradual, we always go for differences. 29 and 40, this is +11. 40 and 53, this is +13. 53 plus 17 is 70. This is +19. So, yes, come on. 11, 13, 17, 19. What are all these numbers? Prime numbers. Absolutely right. What should be your next prime number? 23. 89 plus 23 is your answer. Next. Chappandamma. ప్లస్ మైనస్ అంతేనా? అంతే కదా. సో ఎంత ప్లస్ చేయాలి? +8. ఇది -4 +2 అంటే హాఫ్ అవుతుంది. మా -1 అంటే ఎంత? 17. ఇప్పుడు +0.5. ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్? 59. Now you see a decimal number. See, this is what I say. Number series లో నేను ఎప్పుడు షార్ట్ కట్స్ చెప్తా ఉంటా. ఒక ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఫాలోడ్ బై అ డెసిమల్ నెంబర్, దట్ టు విత్ 0.5 అంటే ఏమై ఉండొచ్చు అని చెప్పా? ఇంటూ 1.5 ఇంటూ 2.5 ఇంటూ 3.5 ఏదో అయి ఉండొచ్చు కదా. అలాగే 6, 4 ఇంటూ 0.5 + 1 అంతే కదా. ఇది ఇంటూ 1 + 1 ఇంటూ 1.5 + 1 ఇంటూ 2 17 + 1 ఇంటూ 2.5 + 1 18 ఇంటూ 2 36. 0.5 half of 9, 36 + 9 45. 45 plus 1, 46. Is this clear? Next. ఏం చేద్దాం చెప్పండి. ఇంక్రీజింగా డిక్రీజింగా? హ్యూజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అనుకోవచ్చా, గ్రాడ్యువల్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అనుకోవచ్చా? అలాంటప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? +1 +3 +7 +15. 1 3 7 15. ఏమన్నా అర్థమైందా? Difference of difference. Yes, you take the difference, and if you don't get any consistency, or if you don't get constant differences, then we'll go for difference of difference. What is the difference of difference? 2 4 8. My next number should be 10. So this should be what? Plus 25. 36 plus 20. Ma 2 4 8 10. ఒక్క నిమిషం తొందర దాండి. 2 4 8 16 ఇది 16. 15 plus 16 31. Done. Double అవుతుంది. 2 4 8 16. Yes, chalo. Any doubts? No, I hope you have all understood. Thank you.